Hey guys, welcome to the video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can open and or create an AWS EC2 instance. And now in here I have logged into my AWS account. From here I'll click to sign into the console. So what's an EC2 instance? It's nothing but a server. We'll create a new server for us so we can work on it. So let me log in. Here I have logged into my console. So from here I'll click to services, and here I'll click on EC2 because this is the server. This isn't the server, this is the service of the server. Yeah, that's loading here. From here I'll click instances. Alright. Here we can see that I have one instance running already, but it will not work in here. We'll create a new instance for us. So click on launch instances, and this will take us to the page where we can select the OS for our server. So we will click on Ubuntu server version 18 and from the we'll select the 64-bit architecture, and we'll click on select. Here we will select T2 micro because this is for free for 1 year, and we'll click on next. We can select any of them. These are just nothing but the configurations of the server. Nothing to do here. We'll click on add storage, and we'll give the size of a server. Let's say I need 30 GB of storage. Then we'll click on tags. Next. Okay, we're not gonna add tags. We'll click on configure security group. So security group is nothing but where we can give access to the server, that in which port it can talk. But we will open the ports for the server. So let's create a new security group. We name it as Vesta. We'll give the description as Vesta, and here we can see that SSH port is open by default, but we'll add another port because we're gonna need HTTP port. Then we will add HTTPS port. Also we will add a custom port which will be 8083 because this is the port for our Vesta. So we will need various ports later on, but we'll not give for now. We will keep it as as it is, and we will click on review and launch. So yeah, everything is fine here. We'll click on launch, and here there will be given a we'll create a new pair. We'll not always, but for this video I'm creating a new pair and giving this name as Vesta. Then we will download the key pair, and this key pair is to SSH into the server. So we'll download it as I have downloaded it, and I will click on launch instance. Here we can see that our instance is now launching. We'll click on view instances. Here our new server, the instance state is pending. We'll wait for a while. Within 1 or 2 minutes it will be running. So guys, here you can see that my new instance is running already, and in the next video we will SSH into the server and we will install VestaCP. But one thing to remember, that this vesta.pem, this file is very important, very important. You cannot lose this file, and if you once lose this file, then you will never gonna SSH or you're never gonna log into the server because it will this is the only file that is given to you. There is no something like password that you can log in with it. This file is very important, otherwise you will not be able to log into the server. Also, by clicking on this server we can see various informations here, like our instance ID, IPv4 address, public address, private address, and each and everything we can see from here. So in the next video we will log into the server and install VestaCP.